Here's another one, cloud computing. And this really gave us some good detail. So I'm ignoring the furthest two to the left, because that's kind of fine. Cloud computing isn't going to apply to everybody. But there's a big debate about cloud computing, and it's you know, kind of like, what is it, Bud Light, you know, tastes great, less filling. Which side of the argument is out there? One of the major virtues about cloud computing is that it is going to allow you as a small company to build an IT, provide IT solutions and services to your customers at dramatically lower cost. The old classic lease instead of buy argument. You may have seen stats. HP frequently wanders around saying cloud solutions can be up to 80% less expensive than owned infrastructures. And that's been a big argument about cloud for the last couple of years. The other one, though, has been that it's not so much that it's cheaper, but it allows you to get to market really, really quickly. Twitter being probably a pretty good example. In the early days of Twitter, they didn't need to go out there. Zynga. Anybody here ever play Farmville? Okay. Anybody else out there on Facebook who has actually defriended somebody because they kept offering to buy pigs? Okay, that's just me. But Zynga's got revenues. They're a run rate of about $650 million as of last week. They're buying. They have their own infrastructure. They don't use cloud. They're buying 1,000 servers a week. That's pretty interesting. So that kind of which of the two, as you can see, by almost 2 to 1. Canadian companies are suggesting that the reason for cloud is speed and ability to scale rather than price. I actually think that's a really good thing. Price is a tough thing to establish, whereas I think speed to market is something that almost everybody understands.